Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm cooking millet grains, and this is the millet grains, guys. This is how it looks. It's all a bit like couscous. That's what it looks like. Yes, I love grains, love millet grain. So over here, guys, I'm gonna use kidney beans with my millet. Instead of using rice, I'm gonna substitute the rice for grains, for millet grains. So I'm going to show you how I cook it. So over here I've got my peas with garlic, kidney beans that are pre-soaked from overnight. I've got my natural coconut milk, and yes, and we're gonna get started. But you want to use less liquid when cooking millet, guys, because you don't want it to be kind of soft, mushy like. Yeah, because remember, it's different texture from rice, right? And if you don't want to eat rice, this is a great way to cook you substitute the rice for millet grains, couscous, black rice, quinoa, wild rice, whatever you want to substitute, whatever grains, that is good for you, right? Because I'm not a big fan of white rice, to be honest. So I'm trying to eat mostly grains. So right, guys, so yes, we're going to jump straight into the video now. And then yes, I've got my pot on, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my kidney beans in. I'm also gonna add some fresh thyme and some pimento berries. I'm just using like 5 seeds of pimento berries, and we're just gonna give it a stir and allow that to cook. Gonna add some more liquid, more water in there. So you're gonna continue to add water, guys, as you go along. So I'm just adding some more water just to cover the kidney beans, right? And you know, guys, millet is really good for you. It helps you to control your cholesterol level, your blood sugar levels. So for all the people who got, you know, high cholesterol and all of that, the fiber in the millet is good for you. So please substitute the millet grain, use the millet grain for this substitute for rice, right? It's more healthy and better. So now, guys, yeah, the peas, I did go ahead and added some more water off camera, and then that's the water that cooked the kidney beans. So you can see that the beans is cooked. You just can go ahead and you just press one, but make sure your hands clean. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna season it. So I'm gonna add in my spring onion, green Scotch bonnet, and some more thyme, and also my coconut milk. I'm gonna add the coconut milk in. And I'm gonna allow that to cook for roughly about 7 minutes before I add the millet. But you can go ahead, guys, and you can taste it to see what it wants. So I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, just to help, pink salt, to help bring out the flavor even more in there. Not a lot, just a pinch pink salt, because you don't want too much salt, right? All right, so this is enough for me. It smells so good. So once the coconut milk is boiled, guys, that's it. You have to let your coconut milk boil, especially if you're gonna leave some for the next day, because it will go bad, it will spoil. So yes, let this cook, all right? So after 7 minutes, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the millet in. So already washed and everything. So just add it into my peas, the kidney beans. I'm gonna stir everything, because you don't want the peas to settle on the bottom, so make sure you give it a stir. And at this time, you're gonna allow it to cook on low heat because you don't want it to burn, right? So you're gonna leave it there to steam and low heat. Pop the lid back on and leave it. All right. So guys, this is how the millet is looking at the moment. I went ahead and I fluff it out because I didn't want the kidney beans to be settled on the top. I want everything to combine together and mix up. And I also give it a taste, guys. Look at that. Wow. Good fiber. Really good. And give it the next taste. Tastes really good. Guys, if you cook it like this, you don't want to miss rice. No, you don't miss rice. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna play up and show you what I'm gonna have it with. All right. So guys, after finish plating my millet, this is how it looks, and I'm having it with some plantain, some steamed calorie, curry butter beans, broccoli, and you know, my rice and millet. You know, not rice, peas, kidney beans with millet. Guys, my food tastes so good, I ain't gonna lie. So guys, this is the best way if you want to get in all your fibers and all of that in your diet. You can start eat millet and not rice, because white rice, there's no substance in white rice, none whatsoever. So guys, if you like this recipe, don't forget to thumbs up, comment, share, like. Please turn the post notification bell in so whenever I upload, you won't miss the video. So guys, you know already, health is wealth. I'm gonna go and big up on yourself, guys, and I see you in my next video. Until then, guys, I'm gonna take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye.